Hey folks, welcome back to the basement, and let's talk about iPhone 16 cases, specifically the iPhone 16 Pro. These are the cases that I bought when I bought my new iPhone 16 Pro, trying to figure out which one is best for which scenario. And I found that I like all three of these cases for different reasons, so let's go through them really quickly. First off is your standard ESR phone case. This is what they call a military grade case. It's got dual protection. It's got a rubber or silicone interior and then a hard exterior. It does not offer any glass protection on the front side here, but it's a standard phone case that also works with MagSafe, which is a great addition to this phone case. So it's rated for a 23-foot drop, and while I'm not going to try that, I feel like it would do good dropping on its back, on its side, or anything like that. Again, no protection for the front glass. Then second is a Bocasal wallet case, and I've used a wallet case for the last 3 years, and this is really nice because everything you need is in one central area. You have your credit cards, your driver's license, anything that you need is in the wallet portion of this case, and then your phone sits on the inside here. I use this if I go on a long-term travel and I'm going with my wife and we're doing a vacation or something like that, because everything is in one spot. I can keep it in my front pocket and I feel like it's fairly secure. This does come in multiple different colors and it comes in two different styles. This is the non-MagSafe because when I travel, I really don't have all the MagSafe equipment with me, so I just plug it in the bottom. And there's also a MagSafe design case, which will work with all the MagSafe accessories. The wallet portion says it holds up to 3 cards in the front. I've easily put 6 in this area, and then you can put additional cards or cash in the back portion here. It's a very nice, stylish case, and like I said, it comes in multiple colors, so you're bound to find one that fits your style. The third case is the slots case, and I take this one when I travel short-term for work, like 3 to 4 days. Why? Because it's kind of a mixture between the two. It's a little bit more rugged than the wallet case, but it doesn't offer glass protection. Again, these cases typically don't come with that, but it has 2 features on the back here that I really like. The first is the bottom portion here, which is the wallet portion. You can easily fit 4 cards in here, or IDs, or credit cards, anything like that can fit in the back here. Then the second portion is kind of this kickstand portion. So if you're sitting in the hotel room at night and you want to watch a movie and have it on a kickstand on your nightstand, you can easily do that, or fly it on the airplane. This is what that's designed for. Additionally, on that kickstand is camera protection, so you can close this and protect your cameras or protect anybody from accessing it, and you can slide it open if you want to use your cameras. This is kind of a good middle ground between the other 2 cases because it offers that same kind of drop protection. It's a little bit more rugged than the wallet case, but it still allows you to use the wallet portion. Downside to this, you can't use anything with the MagSafe. But what you want to know is which of these 3 is right for you. At the end of the day, what it comes down to is how you're going to use the phone and the case that fits your lifestyle the best. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.